Have you recently run Facebook ads that didn't deliver as expected? There could be several reasons why Facebook ads aren't delivering. One of the reasons could be a limited budget or an audience that's too narrow. Another reason could be a low ad relevance score or poor targeting. Perhaps your ad creative isn't engaging enough or doesn't meet Facebook's ad policies. It's essential to check your ad settings and targeting to ensure they align with your campaign objectives. Additionally, take the time to analyze your ad performance and make adjustments as necessary. If you've made changes to your ad recently, Facebook may require time to review and approve them. It's also possible that your industry is highly competitive, making it harder for your ads to be seen. Make sure you're targeting the right platform and device your audience is most likely to use. If your ads still aren't delivering, consider testing a new ad format or revisiting your overall campaign strategy. Are your ads reaching the right people at the right time and with the right message? It's crucial to do your research and understand your target audience to optimize your ad performance. It's important to note that Facebook's algorithm is constantly changing, and what worked yesterday may not work today. Keep up with the latest updates and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, not all campaigns will bring the desired results. Don't give up on Facebook ads, but remain flexible and willing to adjust your strategy.